Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalam ala Sayyidil Anbiya wal Mursaleen. Amma ba'd. Honorable President of today's program, distinguished guests and dear all, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, before I start my speech, I want to introduce myself in brief. My name is Nabidur Rahman. My father's name is respected Master Nurul Hassan Sahab. I am from Fasadangi. I am the Hifz student of Mahat Tartilul Quran Millat Nagar area, Bihar. Friends, the Almighty Allah has said in first ayah of Surah Baqarah, introducing the glorious Quran, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألف لام ميم ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى للمتقين. It means that there is no doubt in this book and it is a guidance for those who fear Allah. And in many places it has been said هدى للناس. That means this holy book can guide everyone, Muslim and non-Muslim. Dear friends, look how much fortunate we are that we have been blessed with this holy book, the glorious Quran. We read it and we memorize it, but unfortunately we do not take guidance from it, which is the most important key to real success. Rather, we use it for very small purposes. Usually in our families, either old women decide it or we decide it when a person is taking his last breath. Yes, of course, this holy book is the word of the Lord of the universe. Each and every word of it is full of barakah and effectiveness. Its reading is a worship, but the question is that only its reading or doing Quran Khani once in a year for barakah is enough for us? Do we read it with basirah to get real success? The very obvious answer is no, not at all, which is very unfortunate. Brothers and sisters, today from this distinguished platform of Mahat Tartilul Quran, I want to convey my message to whole world that again we will have to make the glorious Quran our true guide to get the real and ultimate success. We will have to recite it with basira. We will have to try to know that what our beloved Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants from us. Friends, right now we should determine that whether it is religious matters or worldly matters, we will seek guidance from the Holy Quran only. If we do this, then nothing can stop us from succeeding in both the worlds. With these humble words, now I wind up my speech and make dua that may Allah give us tawfiq to learn the Quran specifically and to act according to its beautiful teachings. The great Islamic poet Maulana Tariq bin Saqib says, ताबीरो तखातुब की अदा है कुरान, ताबीरो तखातुब की अदा है कुरान, उसलूब में एक मौजे सबा है कुरान, लफ्ज़ों के दरोबस्त में लासानी है, लफ्ज़ों के दरोबस्त में लासानी है, दुनिया मानी का सिरा है कुरान. Thank you so much. वाखिर दुआवाना अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.